up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a old-fashioned get ready with me video where I just do my everyday makeup in fast-forwarded time, show you guys what products I'm using. I'm going to try to talk as little as possible because I feel like I always just talk way too much if I try to film a makeup tutorial, and you guys kind of just want to see what I do, so that is what we are going to be doing. If I really have to interrupt to explain something, I will, but besides that, here we go.
And I remember way back when, and all the time we spent, yeah, it's kinda hard to forget you. Cause when we chill for days on end, cuddling in December, just know I wasn't pretending. Come closer, I wanna hold you, yeah, just like on my shoulder.
I actually don't know. This was a gift and I have no clue where my cousin got it from, but I'm gonna use this shade for eyeshadow even though it's all gone.
I'll be a soldier, yeah. I used to be colder till you came over, yeah. I just hope that you know that, hope you know that I can't get over you. I can't get over you. From the way you smile.
This single eyeshadow is one of my favorites. It was given to me by my friend and it's actually from Korea. So when I run out of this, there's no getting it back. As you can see, it is almost done, but it is a white sparkly color from what's left around the pan. Almost gone.
Girl, so it's hard to find someone who will take the time like you. I'm sorry that I left, but I needed a space. I should have said bye, but I still feel away. Cause getting too attached is all part of this thing. And I just know myself and I was drifting away. I'm sorry, I couldn't stay down when you needed. I'm sorry, I shouldn't have committed treason. I'm sorry, I couldn't give you a real reason. I'm sorry, I should have said bye before leaving. Can't get over you. I can't get over you. From the way you smile to the way you look me in my eyes, girl, you know that I'll always be by your side, girl. Through rain or shine, you never left my mind, girl. So it's hard to find someone who will take the time like you. Someone who will take the time like you. Someone who will take the time like you.
There we go. And then since this is my everyday makeup tutorial and I'm just going to work, I'm just going to put on my Lip Smacker Frappe. It actually tastes like Frappuccinos, so I find lip products really uncomfortable to wear during the day, so if I'm at work I just don't really want to think about it. So chapstick it is. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you use any of the products that I use on the daily. They're like my ultimate favorites. They're just so easy and straightforward. If you're new here, please subscribe. Push that bell notification so you can get notified whenever I upload next. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!